Hi guys, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and thank you so much for joining me today. I recently did a grocery haul that was both healthy and frugal because it's post-Hanukkah and my bank account is super suffering. I wanted to share a little update with you on those groceries that I bought and what I've been cooking and show you what I'm cooking tonight. I also have been sort of doing triage in my kitchen and pantry in terms of items that I really want to use up before any more time passes. So tonight I wanted to share with you what's for dinner tonight. This is the enchiladas plan that I had shared with you with enchilada sauce. I'm actually not using chicken, although I did make chicken tortilla soup earlier this week and it turned out amazing. I also made my Sumi salad and it turned out delicious. So tonight, instead of actually rolling the enchiladas and doing a meat version, I'm gonna use some Mexican cheese. I have other block cheese that I'm gonna shred up and use, and I'm gonna layer my tortillas in this casserole dish. Tortillas, sauteed zucchini and onion, cheese, and enchilada sauce, and you could substitute any kind of sauce or cheese that you like, or veggie for that matter. And I'm gonna do it like an enchilada pie or a Mexican lasagna, if you will. And I'm just gonna layer it, sprinkle my cheese between each layer. It's sort of nacho-like, and I'm gonna stick it in the oven and let it get hot and bubbly. And that sounds delicious to me and my husband, and we'll see if the kids go for it. Sometimes I have to have a plan B for them when they're like, not having it, right? I wanted to share with you two really fun DIY little miniature foods that I am preparing for my children to make for tonight. And those I have set up here and here. One is a savory one. This goes with my Mexican theme for tonight. I actually found these on sale. These are Scoops tortilla chips. They're gluten-free, they're kosher. They were like $2.99. A little bit of a splurge, but for me, it felt like a win because it's something that my kids actually think are really fun and they're incentivized to eat better when it's like miniature and sized for them. In addition to having the Mexican lasagna, I'm gonna put out the Scoops tortilla chips with a little appetizer platter of toppings for them. They love sour cream. I have avocado, tomatoes, some green onions that I used for the Sumi salad last night. We can do cut up cucumber, radish slices are beautiful, and I have cilantro. So they can make their own little appetizer platter tonight that's sort of nachos style. And you could even make these like nachos by adding cheese and melting that in the oven real quick. This I really wanted to share with you because if you have young children, I think they will love it. This also could pack for a lunchbox tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. My next item over here is a dessert version of this. This is an item that was in my pantry. I got it $2.99 on clearance. This one is not marked kosher, so if you keep ingredients kosher, it would be fine for you. They're little tart shells and they're so adorable. They will expire, so I wanted to use them up. And these I'm gonna make really similar to the picture by making a super quick and easy, I'll link the recipe below for you, pastry cream. Now you can buy like a Jell-O pudding product and that could be a cheat, but homemade pastry cream is delicious. It's easy. You just need a whisk and a pot and you use milk, cornstarch, vanilla, sugar, and just a dab of butter. Whisk it over the stove and it's ready. So that is gonna double as like a pudding snack for my kids, but also as a filling that I will let them put into these tart shells for their dessert. And then I have so much fruit in the house. Somewhere I have blueberries, 88 cents a box for these blackberries today. I got a ton of mangoes for 50 cents a mango and these kiwis and these raspberries. So I'm just gonna make just like those very expensive fruit tarts at our local bakery. I'm gonna give them their choice of fruits. You could put mandarin oranges out for them. Whatever you have in the house could work with this activity. And I'm gonna let them do it and put what they want on them. And even though you know, it's a dessert, it's a sweet, but it's made from fresh ingredients. I know what's in it, and it also incentivizes them to eat some fruit, get some calories because they're skinny kids, and that is my plan for tonight. I hope you liked it, and I really want to thank you for being here. If you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I'm doing food content, grocery hauls, budget cooking all the time. I also am sharing Jewish recipes and some activities if you have kids in a Jewish day school. And I would really appreciate it if you would share this video or others on my channel with a friend. I'm looking to grow in the new year, so keep your ideas coming. I look forward to your comments down below. And thank you so much for your time today. Have a really great night. Bye-bye.